Good evening, friends. As you all know that the CBSE has released its sample paper on September 16th. So these days we are hearing a lot about CBSE sample papers published by Rachna Sagar Pvt Ltd. We have Mr. Lalit Gupta, CMD of Rachna Sagar Pvt Ltd, who would be telling us about the features and the speciality of these books. Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Sir, can you please tell us what is the speciality about the books you have recently published?
Sure, ma'am. First of all, I would like to wish best of luck for all the students who are appearing for the board exams this year. Okay, I will let you know the special features of these books. As CBSE has revised the pattern of the examination this year, we too have released class 10th sample papers and class 12th sample papers. We have English, Mathematics, Social Science, Hindi B course, Hindi A course and Science in class 10th, and similarly we have Economics, BST, Mathematics, Physics, Biology, English, Chemistry and Accountancy in class 12. Special features of these books include this year's latest sample paper released by CBSE on September 16th, 2022, followed by 3 easy level of papers, 3 average and 3 difficult level of examination papers, followed by 5 pre-board papers and 1 mock paper based on the CBSE pattern. Now, these 3 average, easy and difficult papers that we have given have 1 solved examination paper and 2 unsolved paper, but the unsolved papers have the solutions also through a QR scanner. The child can scan the QR code and see the solutions after he or she has attempted the question paper. And the best part is the unsolved paper has a QR scanner also. This is a QR scanner. Once the child has attempted the question paper, the child can scan this QR code and get the solutions immediately. The child need not refer answers by asking to the teachers or their parents. Apart from this, that is 15+1 sample papers, the child will also get last 10 years of CBSE solved papers once he visits our website goweb-rachnasagar.com in case of class 10th. In case of class 12, the child has an additional facility of scanning the QR code given inside over here. He can scan the QR code and get access to 5 sample papers of CUET free of cost. Besides this, he can also get access for online CUET UG preparation as per the details given at the back cover of the sample paper. Thank you so much.